Welcome back to Terraton. Thank you for being here today. As we all know, preparing for the IELTS exam can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can navigate it successfully. Today, I would like to talk to you about one specific task in the IELTS reading session that may find tricky: matching headings. Understanding this task is crucial. In the matching heading task, you are given a series of a paragraph and a list of headings. Your goal is to match each heading with the paragraph that best represented. The headings are essentially brief summaries or the main ideas of each paragraph. So, how do you approach the task effectively? Let me break it down into a few simple steps. First, skim the paragraph. Start by quickly reading through the paragraph and get a general idea of what each one is about. At this stage, don't worry about the understanding every single detail. Just focus on grasping the overall message or main idea of each paragraph. Next, carefully read the headings. Take your time to understand what each heading is emphasizing. Look for the keywords or phrases that might give you a clue about the paragraph's content. Remember, these headings are summaries, so they are meant to capture the essence of a paragraph. Once you have done this, match the obvious one first. Often a few paragraphs will have a clear connection to specific headings. These should stand out to you. By matching these easy ones first, you will reduce the number of options for more challenging paragraphs. As you move forward, be aware of synonyms and paraphrases. The language in the heading might not be identical to the words in the paragraphs. Instead, the examiner often uses synonyms and rephrase ideas. Your task is to recognize these and links them to the appropriate paragraphs. Focus on the main idea of each paragraph. For the remaining paragraphs, think about what the paragraph is primarily discussing. Compare these with the remaining headings. Which heading captures the core message of the paragraphs? That's your match. If you find yourself stuck, eliminate the unlikely options. Cross out the heading that definitely don't match a particular paragraph. This process of elimination will help you narrow down the choices and focus on the most likely candidates. Finally, double check your answers once you have matched all the headings. Take a moment to review your choices. Ensure that each heading accurately represents the main idea of the paragraph and that no headings have been repeated. In closing, let me share a few important tips. Time management is a key. Don't spend too much time on any one question. If you are unsure, move on and come back to it later. Also, trust your instincts. Your first choice is often correct. With practice and these strategies, you will find that the matching heading tasks become much more manageable. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you will succeed. If you found these videos helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Terraton for more tips on building your career abroad.